Hi, today I'm going to show you how to generate Kobo Cascade questions by exporting student data from Waliku admin. We have 4 steps to achieve that. The first is what are Cascade questions in Kobo, and then how to export student, class, and school mapping data from Waliku for Cascade questions. Third is how to create Cascade questions in Kobo using Waliku data. And the final step is to view the Cascade form in Kobo. So let's go back to the first question. What are cascade questions in Kobo? I will open at the Kobo form to show you how the cascade questions will look. So you can see the school has 2 classes. So once I click on the first class, it shows the student map to the first class. When I select the next class, it shows to the students map to the next class, which is test 1A. So according to the cascade of the school, class, and students get displayed. Let's go back to the second question. How to export student, class, and school mapping data from Waliku for cascade question. For this, I will have to go back to the Waliku admin app and log in, which I have already done. Click on settings and then click on export Kobo data. Select the import type. For example, I am going to select internal and then select the school. For example, I will be selecting Class School Bandung and then select the class. You can either select all of them or just choose 1, 2, or a few of them. You can also check on this box to include staff detail and then click on generate. File generation completed, click on OK, and then download the generated Kobo form template by clicking here. So the Excel file will look something like this. Now let's go back to the Word document and see the next step, which is how to create cascade questions in Kobo using Waliku data. So using this data which we just generated, how are we going to create the questions in Kobo form? For that, I will log into Kobo, click on New, and then click on Build from Scratch. Here you can enter the project name. For example, I will be naming the school Test ABC and then select the sector education, the country, for example, Indonesia, and then click on create project. So once you have done that, click on this icon which says insert cascading select. Go back to your Excel and then copy all of the content here and paste it here. Click on done. So now you can see the data is copied over to Kobo. And for our final step, how to view the Cascade Kobo form. So after you insert the data, you can select on this preview form here. And you can see the data has been inserted. Click on save.